Live.
Live. Live at the wireless.
14.4. Temperature has dropped. Fourth rubber. It's 9:33. Early in the evening. Just 12. The young Australian must react. Okay. Simply must. Oh, that's a mini racket. No. Good strong. And here we are.
Oh no. I'll have to give this a quick light. If it comes up, we'll use it. If it doesn't,
Do it. What are you trying to use? Some racket.
I'll just find that black carbon.
Oh, black carbon. Yes, Hurricane Neo. 3838 instead of 3842. That's it, basically the difference. Plus it's got nanofibers in it. That's got to have something to do with it. It's got to be positive.
Right. Good.
It is different. I've got one too. It's more powerful than the Hurricane Championship stuff. Like, as a rule. Maybe not for the big shots, time over, but it's good shit. Probably the best.
Okay.
Here we are. Fourth rubber. 21, best of 5, 2 sets to 1 in favour of drag hits.
Good luck.
Boom! And he puts it right into his heart. Kill shot.
Good shot.
At the net.
Hollow point.
Yes, very good. Yeah. Oh, that was just so relaxed. Half asleep. Where the fuck?
Back there.
Somewhere. Little bitch. Nil to 2. On the charge. Hey, rubhead.
Oh no! He's fucking hooked it out.
Yeah. One Smith.
Yes, nice.
Gallant.
I was disciplined.
Well, at least you got a racket to it.
Yeah, 3-all. I
And the
saw.
grandstand. Don't.
No way I could get that in because I was just hoiked it
That
up.
was pretty honest, that one. Son-of-a knuckle shot. Straight knuckle shot.
Big shimmy. Big shimmy.
He gave it loop.
Yeah, take off.
Fourth rubber. Right.
Oh no!
It's.
Well,
Oh, Jesus Christ, that fucking moved. The fucking alien. On your half of the court.
4-3.
Oh, yes. Brother. Fuck! 5 to 3.
No, you kick.
5 to 4.
Oh, right.
Serve.
3 metres out.
Hey. Yes! 5 to 5.
Yeah, it's like 5.
The young Australian. Rubhead. Almost takes the classic. 5 to 5.
5. In the afternoon.
Fourth rubber.
Fourth.
Oh, nice shot. It dropped. It dropped just where it needed to. 6 to 5. Ooh, the half volley. They are tempting, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
It felt good, but
Yeah,
it's,
it's nice.
certainly didn't look good.
On the cricket field, it would have been fine.
Yeah.
6 to 6.
Ball run.
Oh! Thunder! 7 to 6. Yeah, strong service game so far. Rugby.
Actually, good job.
Yeah.
86, last serve.
Good serve, yes. Oh,
Oh,
just
fuck.
missed.
Damn it.
Not sure whether it's
Probably
going to
should've done
edge or
that.
hit.
Nine.
9 to 6. Fourth game.
Oh, there we go.
3-point advantage to the young straight. Son of a old man trick again. 9 to 7. Strong on service, everybody. Repeat.
Oh,
Gets a
bloody
wide
hell.
and Smith is happy.
Bloody hell.
10 to 6.
Yes. 7-10?
7. Oh yes, sorry. 7 to 10. Yes. Repeat. Oh fuck! It gets too much space.
18.
That's it.
Oh fuck! Too much of a piece of it.
8 to 11.
Yes.
Oh shit, your top spin was sensational. Fuck! I thought I had the winner there. Then it jumped on me. And it jumped like my fucking jumper jack.
11-9?
11-9 is a bitch. Change some serve, he holds. Just.
That one? Yeah. Oh yeah. Just, yes, you're right. Just hold.
Yeah, good. I'm gonna run 50-50 like table tennis now. I'm always thinking like that about the tennis variant.
Yeah.
Variant.
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 to 9. Fourth rubber, 2 rubbers to 1. Been a long match already.
Well, fuck!
13 to 9.
Yes.
Bah!
Fourth rubber is Geopardy.
She managed to bounce back after I bounced back.
And then
second and third.
You bounced away again.
Rapid, fuck me. Oh,
Ah.
that top spin, I'm still getting over.
7-10.
Oh, yes. That'd be the boot. Oh, shit, motherfucker.
That was a really good serve. I think I was lucky to get it back.
I was Marlon, or like professional Chinese player inspired. They always play the soft serve. They often do. They push, bang, bang, bang. Systemic fucks.
That ain't look.
Red
Oh, fuck!
Wrong. Unforced error.
11-14. Tango.
Change off. Smith holds. 11-14, fourth one. Oh, good take.
I,
15 to 11.
got impatient.
Yes. Yes, it was a bit arduous point. But look at the thing. I think that's correct. Son of a. Ooh. Ah, 16 to 11. Smith now eyes sparkle. Mother, oh, half net. 16 to 12. That's all right. 16 to 13. It's got to be done. Legit. Bah! 16 to fucking something.
14.
Bitch. On a roll. Still gonna go down that fight.
That's right.
Bah.
Oh,
Oh,
shit!
gets a big knuckle.
Yeah, no knuckle. Just
Oh.
fucking
Oh
too much
dear.
spinning. I'll fucking hit it right there, I think. About there.
One really nice point to get. It was for me, I'll tell you that.
I wouldn't know it, he'd get it.
Fuck! How much did that miss by? Jeez.
3.127. No, I don't know actually. Not much,
Don't
but
have much time to play.
yeah.
17, 15, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Oh, fuck, it dropped. I'm just letting it go out.
Yes.
17 to 16, here we are.
I thought I was going to.
Or pulling up a little bit. But that, oh, fuck, grapple. 17.
17.
Last serve. Fucking seesawing set again. Oh, perfect it had to be, and perfect it was. 18 to 17, he's sprung ahead.
A crucial
Oh,
ale
where it
point,
went.
one would suggest.
Did you see it?
I saw it until I didn't.
May have gone down this crevice again. I can't see it.
Okay, behind the iron curtain, no.
No. Oh, hang on, there she is.
Oh, yeah.
There she is.
Bit coming out.
Wheel. Good. Give me. Oh. That's good stuff. 18.
No, it's 17, 18.
Oh.
Come surf.
Whoa! There she is. Really? Taken. 18, 17, crucial time.
Ah, fuck! Hang on. Nice and tight. Not one, mate.
Oh, look at that. But 19 to 18 was nerves.
Oh, fuck!
Oh,
yeah,
that was nerves. 19.
19.
He's good.
Ah! Shit!
2019, yes, that was high stakes as it gets. Rip. 2019, last serve.
No, he fucked it.
21 19s, 2 rows apiece, everyone's a buzz. Woo! Been a bit of a cunt of it.
This next one might be interesting.
21 19 again, eh? Son of a. Yes, this next one might be interesting. Take it in.
So, have we got do you roll one, perhaps?
Yes.
I'll get a chair.
Stool. A stool. Oh, good. Oh. Look. Wow. Here we are. We started at 8:34. It's now 9:46. 4 sets in.
Ooh.
It's been a pattern. Hey. Oh, good. Boom. Boom. Son of a fucking repair.